The crypto market has been on the rise since the creation of Bitcoin. Can you believe there are more than 13,000 cryptocurrencies in the market at this moment? If you are also thinking about investing in the soaring crypto market, beware. However, not all currencies are worth your investment. If you are not careful enough, you will lose a fortune within seconds. Scams, weak business strategies, traction issues, and poor developer management can lead to the devaluation of these currencies, making them risky bets. So, which cryptocurrencies should you steer clear of in the 2024-2025 bull run? Identifying which cryptocurrencies to avoid requires careful research to assess their stability. But don't worry, there's a lot you can do to make sure your investments are secure. Start by examining financial data to analyze past performance, as historical trends can provide valuable clues about a cryptocurrency's future potential. Checking market capitalization is also important, as it helps estimate a coin's overall value and stability relative to others in the market. Trader reviews offer real-world insights, sharing first-hand experiences that could reveal any hidden red flags or emerging patterns in a cryptocurrency's behavior. Staying updated with news is essential too, as events such as regulatory changes, partnerships, or security issues can significantly impact a currency's reliability. By actively following these guidelines and being vigilant, you'll be able to navigate the world of crypto investments with greater confidence, avoiding the pitfalls that often trap inexperienced investors. You can also follow crypto enthusiasts on X to see what they are talking about. Combining these factors will surely help you assess a token's potential. That's exactly what we did, and now we are making this video for you. Beware of lesser-known cryptos with limited information, as fraud often thrives in the shadows. So, what are the cryptocurrencies and projects you should avoid in 2024 to 2025 because they are either dead or will die soon? Let's find out. 1. JuleSwap. The first project we'll talk about is called JuleSwap. Many of you might not know about it, but those who were watching during the last bull run will definitely understand. JuleSwap was very popular at that time. Last year, they tried to rebrand to stay relevant in the market. Their work was in swapping, and they also had a token called Jule. Today, the logo has changed, but the work remains in swapping, and now it's simply called Swap. Let's take a look at what the situation is with this project today. If you're familiar with the market, you'll recognize the current condition. The fully diluted market capitalization is around $1.5 million, which is extremely low for the crypto industry. The community counts in the millions, and this level of capitalization is very limited. At its all-time high in December 2022, people were very excited about this project. It was just shy of eliminating another zero after 3 nines. Today, it's down by about 99.7%, practically dead. If you look at the charts, it appears as though it's dead. We also checked their Twitter account to see if there was some activity, but it was disappointing, to be honest. 2. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity created a gaming project, but the issue was that they relied on a single concept, making it unstable. The token's value dropped, causing players and investors to face losses. Its model was unstable, and market volatility added to its challenges. The mind behind Axie Infinity created a gaming project, and the farming concept within it was excellent and well liked by people. However, after some time, the craze declined. The reward token SLP had an unlimited supply, meaning people could receive unlimited rewards. But this eventually became the reason behind its downfall. You see, if a reward's value keeps decreasing over time, people lose interest. They don't want to spend their time and effort on diminishing rewards. As interest waned, the farming that relied on Axie Infinity's tokens became less valuable, and the token's price also dropped. These factors made people lose interest, causing the project to flop. The owners are now trying to improve the game, rebrand it, and make significant enhancements. We'll see what happens next. Despite having the highest market cap of $1 billion compared to the other projects mentioned, it doesn't necessarily mean new opportunities are available. Those who already hold the tokens may still see a bit of a return, but larger profits seem impossible. 3. UFO Gaming. Another shady project on the list is UFO Gaming. The market cap of UFO Gaming currently stands at $22 million, but it's down by 98.4% today. This gaming project was once trending and has a strong following as people were literally crazy about it. So I checked to see if they're coming up with any new games or what's causing the price to drop. Bitcoin rose from $16,000 to over $74,000. So why aren't these projects advancing? I found that they're making improvements in their gaming segment. So if you're holding UFO, there's still hope. The situation isn't entirely hopeless, unlike JuleSwap, which seems almost gone. However, this doesn't mean it's a buy signal. Absolutely not a buy signal. 4. SafeMoon. The next project on the list, the fourth one, is SafeMoon. As of today, its market cap stands at $34 million, which isn't a lot. Regarding SafeMoon's current status, the SEC is cracking down on it because the founder spent heavily on living a luxurious lifestyle, which contributed to the project's decline. They tried to update the project, rebrand it, and introduce other supporting projects, but none of them worked. Today, SafeMoon is down by 98.2%, and it's almost gone. If you consult their website, there's nothing that shows much promise for its future. They've posted several tweets related to the SEC and supported new projects, but there's little indication that things will improve. The CoinGecko mentions the following about the coin. SafeMoon executives were arrested by DOJ in a fraud investigation. So play safe, folks. 5. Dent. Another project that people were very bullish about is Dent. The use case for Dent was a decentralized network as it stands today, but what happened is now visible. With a market cap of $130 million today, it's down by 98.7%. The concept of Dent didn't work very well and already has multiple issues, though the project is still live. 6. FTT. Moving forward, the next project is FTT, the token of FTX Exchange. As the exchange was collapsing, the token rapidly fell too. Its all-time high was $84 in September 2021, but now it is trading around $1. Before investing here, you should know that FTX, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, faced a major scandal. Its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, was accused of misusing billions of dollars from customer funds to cover debts and risky investments. When news of these financial troubles spread, people rushed to withdraw their money, but FTX couldn't meet the demand, and the company went bankrupt. This event left many investors feeling betrayed and caused big losses in the crypto world. So yeah, think again. 7. HT. HT Huobi token situation is also troubling. It was usually priced around $9 in 2021, but has now plummeted to about $0.06. The team seems to be focusing on the exchange but has neglected their token. For those still holding HT, it's best to continue holding since exchanges have the power to push their tokens to a better position. Huobi Global may eventually pay attention to their HT token again, so perhaps at the time, people's investments might see some recovery, but it does not seem quite convincing at the moment. Also keep in mind that HTX and Heco Chain have reportedly fallen victim to a hacker attack. As a result, they have temporarily halted deposit and withdrawal services on the HTX platform and the Heco Chain gateway. 8. WazirX. The WazirX project was once a highly popular trending token because it had its own exchange. When the token was launched, people were attracted to it and made huge investments. WazirX followed Binance's pattern of announcing token burns. Every time tokens were burned, there was a lot of hype, and its price even reached $5. With a supply of only 1 billion, it seems sustainable. However, when people see high prices and already have tokens, they try to cash out, wanting to sell and take profits from their project. Such selling erodes trust, frustrates people, and causes the price to be dumped, which is exactly what happened here. They followed Binance but didn't follow the practice of not dumping their own tokens to their users. Instead, they sold tokens to people, increasing the supply in the market. Thus, this legendary project that was once beloved is now in poor condition. 9. WIN Token. The next project on the list is the WIN Token. This token was legendary at its peak, often featured in videos and thumbnails. Currently, WIN has a market cap of $115 million and is down 95% from its all-time high. When you look at the exchanges where WIN is listed and the charts from the last bull run, There's hope that it might rise again, but if it does, it can yield significant profits for those who are still holding it. But I can't guarantee a sure shot because I would advise against buying now. Given the plethora of projects we've discussed on our channel, paying attention to those might yield better returns. Speaking of when, the community that's backing this project can pull it out. Hence, there's some exit strategy in accelerating their funds and supply. Coming to their Twitter account, it's also quite inactive, which is an alarming thing as well. It clearly portrays the shady nature of the project, so make sure to do thorough research before planning to invest in it. 10. Dogecoin. Last but not least, we have the famous Dogecoin. Dogecoin, Doge, was once a popular meme coin, gaining attention through social media hype and Elon Musk's support. Although it soared in early 2021, it has lost value and has not recovered to its previous highs. Dogecoin is just one of the many payment coins and lacks unique features that distinguish it from others. Most businesses don't accept it as a payment method, and it's often slow and costly to use. Historically, similar coins that rapidly gain value have seen their prices crash, making Dogecoin a risky investment. So you must avoid it while making your investment plans in 2024 to 2025. To sum it up, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies available in the market, but each one of them has its pros and cons. So, if you're thinking about investing in crypto for 2024-2025 bull run, make sure to avoid the coins we just mentioned and prioritize thorough research. Be on guard for fake websites, phishing emails, and untrustworthy exchanges. Instead, focus on authorized brokers and exchanges that have a solid reputation to protect your investments. Keep watching the Crypto Craze Network for more financial updates, and good luck for your future investments.